Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning subscribe, you're most definitely welcome. So Mihlali Ndamase has released an open letter regarding her abusive relationship with Leroy.
Struggles
I want you to listen to
articulate
what she
myself
said.
and express my feelings. So I have written you guys an open letter and I hope you are willing to hear me out. Let's get started. I come before you today with a heavy heart and a sense of responsibility to address a matter that has been circulating and has deeply affected me. It was with great vulnerability that I admit I was involved in a toxic relationship. This relationship started off verbally and emotionally harmful, and matters quickly escalated to it being physically harmful. I, unlike others, can take full accountability for my involvement in the toxic dynamic. One can only keep quiet for so long after tolerating gaslighting, aggression, emotional abuse, manipulation, obsessive behavior, and control tactics employed by an individual. Tactics used to distort my perception of love, which led me down a path of pain and torment. The scars of this experience run deep, and the trauma continues to echo in my personal life and in my business. Such cases can be complex, escalate gradually over time, and difficult for some to understand, especially if they have no personal experience. However, that does not discredit or invalidate my story as I have lived it. It is imperative for us to educate ourselves on the nature of emotional abuse, gender-based violence, and the devastating impact it has on families, individuals, and communities. Despite the darkness that has clouded my past, I am filled with hope and determination to embark on a journey of healing. I am committed to seeking the support and resources necessary to get the help I need to reclaim my sense of dignity and self-worth. Through my healing journey, I hope to inspire others to speak out, seek help, and break free from any toxic environment, as nobody deserves it. Thank you so much for listening, guys, and I really would like to humbly ask that you respect, support, and understand me as I navigate this challenging journey towards healing and empowerment. And to everybody who has reached out concerned about my safety, my well-being, and sent words of encouragement, they do not go unnoticed, and I truly do appreciate it. Thank you for hearing me out.
I don't know what you guys think about this open letter, but it just took me back to the days of Babs and Mapincha. They were also in a toxic relationship. But on this one, I would say money is the root of all evil. She knew Leroy was toxic to Mary, Jane, and she continued dating him. And I didn't even hear the apology. This girl should apologize to Mary Jane and the kids for humiliating her. Because despite everything that was happening, she continued with the relationship. Actually, she was the one making sure that Mary Jane and the kids suffers. There was no way this man was going to be different to her. But then she was so arrogant and saying, I'm pretty. This man, I'm prettier than Mary, probably. I don't know. But this relationship was surrounded by a dark cloud from the beginning. It was just not going to work. I like the fact that she blames herself for making mistakes, and hopefully she's going to correct those mistakes and leave whatever substances that she's taking according to Leroy. So I don't know what you guys think. Can you comment in the comment section? For those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe.